guys. So you heard about Dispatch. It's a new service that we're offering people who join us for this computer tech team. Now, what we've been debating on how to do this. It took us about 2 years to get this far, and we decided to do it differently than how other companies do it. And we wanted to compete for the higher tech companies that do this stuff. And you don't need to have any experience. You don't need an A+. You don't need any of that. Um, when you log in, we will see how this works soon. After I talk about this first, uh, you will see a script. You will see the list of services we provide. You will see what to say, and all the stuff is automatically updated when it's changed. So when you log in and we need to make a quick change, we can instantly do it. And it just, we think that it's quick, it's fast, and we think that's going to really help you enjoy your jobs better. Like I said, you don't need any experience. You got a script, you got the services, and we're planning on bringing text later this year, and you can become one after your dispatcher. We want to make sure that you understand the services and the products that we have for other people. So we want to make sure that you know how everything works. So it's a work in progress, but we see that it has a lot of potential. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is in 2014 I saw problems, and in college people are debating whether the bachelor degree is worth it, and I wanted to make something that could you could do what you want to do or want to learn how to do without negative any negative stuff that could happen, any adverse effects. It's not my job to make things easier, it's to make them better. And I figured this was one way to make people's lives better. Uh, you know, I personally don't think college is worth it. I mean, I do this stuff and I do a bunch of other things, as you guys know. But, you know, I just wanted to help people out over here, and I saw problems and I wanted to help solve them. So, to be dispatched, you can be anyone in the United States. That's for us to forward the numbers so we don't. We're working on getting different countries, but we can't do it now because of money issues. It will cost us money every time it calls you, and it gets paid by the minutes. We have to pay it for the minute. So United States only. So you can be in another state. You can be on you can even be on your smartphone and set this up. So with all that said, we think that it's really going to help bring value to the brand and help people come in and their friends are going to see, and then and it's going to help us out. So when you join Dispatch, you're going to get a computer tech team identification. This is just a test. I'll just put numbers in here, and the name is associated with the number, which you will see how it works in a minute. And you will get a password. You got to put in the password. All this stuff is encrypted right here. And here's the script I was telling you about. Here's the script, and there's the services. Alright. My phone has all those shorthand codes, you could say, on there. And this is the schedule. It saves the last schedule that was put in, but it's saved as a copy on this computer, so I can see it later. So we put our name, put service OSRI, which is if you look, is it's the operating system we install. And you can do phone number. You don't always have to do a phone number, but if you're afraid or you don't know the times, you can put a phone number. We can call them back. You can do that for anything. You don't have to just do it for manager. These aren't gonna be here. Aren't gonna be listed in the script. They're gonna be listed in the script. They won't be listed here to save some screen real estate. Address has no spaces. I'm working on it. 789. Oh. say that. Date of service 12/05/2015. Alright. And the time. Include AM, PM. Make sure it is Central Time. Make sure it's Central Time. Or you don't want to be 2 hours ahead of me. That would not be good. And then after you put it in, it's going to do it. And now if you look over here, and we log back in with another account, this is Bob's account, you will see our updated, we just put that in. So the main thing here you want to worry about is the date. That's the main thing. All this opens automatically every time you relog in. So with that said, keep them on the state. You don't want them to overlap, and make sure where our address is. If we're in Groves, we can't make it to Beaumont in 5 minutes. So make sure that you got that. If you're not sure, just put that time, that their phone number, and if they don't want to put their phone number, work the best you can. We're working on it, but do a good job. Service is always alright. That's about usually 2 to 3 hours, but also schedule for the service. So you want to keep time for the service and where we're located. Make sure of this. Make sure. And our servers have all these listed, so it won't just be one. We can see all of them. So don't worry about that. You're just going to see the last one, which is the later date. It should be a later date. So there you go. And this is the script. We add more onto this. If you understand that, good. It can really help you. So yeah, that's it. We hope that you enjoy this. It is $10 per dispatch. We're working on it. Work in progress. I might lose money from doing it, but hey, we all working, and I want to do this for you guys. You know, I really love what I do, and you know, I want other people to benefit from it. So if it's a good college job. If you got something, if you like I say, you don't get paid by the hour. You can make any schedule you want, and then when you answer the phone whenever it rings, whenever you want. You're not even obligated to do so. Just answer it. The first one he does, it gets the service, and they put it in the spotlight, and they can get $10. So if you're not on commission, there's a reason for that, because we don't want people to schedule unnecessary services. Like if someone's doing a $200 job, we don't want to give them like maybe $80. You know, we don't want that. So $10 per service cost. So what am I trying to say? I forgot what I was about to say. So $10. Okay, I got it. $10 every time you schedule a service. So $10. So if you get 3 service calls, that's $30 that hour. Now that's not a constant $30. You might get more, you might get less. But it depends. We're really working on it. Work with us, guys. But I think it's really going to help out. I think it's going to help you guys out. It's going to make things more fun. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So that's the end of this video. Oh, and by the way, I made this program in just about an hour. Yeah. We got the Backbone technology. This is once before, and we got Backbone technology, which will do this automatically. So, which we added to once before, which is really great. 2 hours and you're already on the internet. But more on that later, guys. I'll see you guys later. I hope you join Unity Network. I hope you join us. Make your own branch. Join existing branches. Go out there, have fun, do what you love, and I'll see you guys later.